and we're on their range. This is their land. This is their traditional land. So I'm Douglas Jensen, and I'll be your lead guide today. Don Jameson will be the drag or the tail. Experienced Don Jameson. The mascot is Jeannie Edwards. Okay. And we'll get to know each other as we go along today. Traditional Indian lands of the Paiutes, the southern branch of the Utahs. Now in Utah we have the Indians, and they used to be called the Utahs, the Indians that lived in Utah. So now they shortened it to Utah or Utes. And this is a branch of this is like the Paiutes, or a southern branch of the Utahs, which is the Utah Indians and the southern Paiutes. And we're on their range. This is their land. This is their traditional land. This mountain is the water people belong. Anybody know what that is right there? Rock. Limestone. Ah! There we go. That's what it is. Yeah, I got it right. This is limestone. You know what they made? The early pioneers needed limestone. You know what they used to make out of it? Concrete. Yeah, that's close. Bricks. That's close.
Mortar.
Mortar. There you go. This right here is a small lime kiln. If you look at the rock, you can see that still the carbon from the fire. But anyway, they would dig a hole and put a grate of iron, and then a fire underneath it, you know, like a fireplace. And then they would use gravity, of course, where they could. This is an ideal situation. This is a small one, probably a private one. There's some commercial ones over in Wildcat Canyon that are more of a business type thing. But this is probably 2 or 3 pioneer homeowners that decided to have a lime kiln here to make their own mortar, their lime for their mortar. See, mortar won't work without lime. Lime is the glue in brick mortar. And that's what glues your bricks together, is the mortar, of course, but the lime is critical. So anyway, they would have the grate, they would put the lime rock on top of the grate, build a great fire underneath it, fire of coal and wood, and the fire was so great that it would pulverize the rock, drop it down into a powdered form. They'd scoop it out after it was cool, and then they would mix it into their mortar. So anyway, this is a small lime kiln over in Wildcat Canyon, where the historic site is by the water wheel on the north end of town. That is another lime kiln that's huge. It's like a business, or almost industrial compared to this one. This one here is just a small